is almost Chinese New Year. We thought it would be wonderful to make a delicious Asian dish on our hababichi. Coming in with my sriracha cha-cha sauce. I've got my ramen noodles on the bottom. We did a medley of peppers with onions, broccoli, corn, our ground beef, and of course, we've got some pot stickers. Now I'm just adding some rice vinegar along with the soy sauce and that sriracha. This is gonna bring a really delicious, authentic taste. Of course, you can't have Asian food without garlic, my absolute #1 flavoring spice. And we can't have our Asian delicacy without some ginger, so I'm just gonna come in here and put this. Y'all, these herbs are so good for your health. Ginger, I'm telling you, this is gonna make you live a long time, be so healthy and happy. For a little bit of spice, we're just gonna do some crushed red pepper flakes. Yum, yum, yum. That's just gonna accentuate that sriracha cha-cha sauce. Alrighty, y'all, the beef broth. How else are you gonna cook all those ramen noodles? We're just adding this in. Look at this delicious, delicious feast. Perfect if you're hosting a Lunar or Chinese New Year party, or really any time that you're doing some sort of festive event. Everyone in my house absolutely loves ramen noodles, and you can customize this with chicken, with whatever proteins you like. I think this is gonna be really, really delicious. Alrighty, I'm just gonna break up my beef here. Ooh, I can feel that my ramen underneath is starting to get soft, is starting to get cooked, but I wanna make sure my beef is touching the hababichi, and this is all going to be cooking up so nicely. Y'all, all my favorite foods here, pot stickers, the veggies, the corn, and our ramen noodles. And I just plugged up the hole on my hababichi to make it able to hold my soup layer. But y'all, this is so easy, so fabulous. You are going to love this. Alrighty, everyone, I'm gonna close the lid on my hababichi. We're gonna let this simmer for about 20 minutes and then we'll be ready to enjoy. Alrighty, y'all, it's been about 15 minutes and look at this. We're ready to start mixing. Look at those cooked noodles. Everything looks amazing. This is almost like a chow mein, lo mein style, delicious, easy meal. So easy to make. Oh my gosh, it is looking so good. Our veggies are heated through. We've got our ground beef in here, our pot stickers so people can get some pot stickers to go with everything. Oh, y'all, this is looking so good. I am thrilled with how this has come out. It looks so flavorful. See, you don't need to go to Benihana. You can do Benihana at home on your own hababichi. Look at that, gorgeous. I'm just gonna get this all mixed in. Alrighty, y'all, time to serve up our masterpiece.
Oh, this looks so good.
Yes, and we have our special taste tester here, my amazing husband, Marty.
Nice. I'm a lucky man, babe.
You are.
Let's go for the dumpling. Cheers, y'all.
Is it good? We'll bring you good luck. Hope you
So
get
good.
rich. Gung hei fat choi. You gotta try it.